Hello, beautiful people. Hold up. This is your Fitness and Wellness Today. I am Van Goss. Quick workout. Go get your water bottles or your weights. All we need are 2 pounds. That's it. Water bottles will do. Here we go. Gonna work those arms. Here we go. Bring it in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Working it. 1, 2, yes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And bring it on down. That's it. Right in here, you're gonna bring it to the front, 2 pounds or water bottles. You're gonna bring it up, out, back down. Up, out, down. Up, out, down. Up, out, down. Here we go. Up. Working those beautiful arms. Now give me that curtsy. You're gonna bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it out. Other leg, other side. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. All right. Now let's bring it right here. You're in a lunge position. Stay right there in that lunge position. And you're going to bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And pull it up. Good. Other leg, other side. This time, going to be pulleys. Okay, and lean and pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You got this. 8. 8 more. Slowly bring it up. There you have it, a quick fitness weight break. You can just get those muscles in shape in just a matter of minutes, darling. Until the next workout. Bye. High five. Love you all. See you in the next workout.